Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and click on that bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. To my old subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for clicking in. Thank you for always coming back to support me. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make that authentic, original calabar style afang soup. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce my ingredients. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare my afang soup. I have beef and cow skin, which I've washed and cleaned. I have my water leaf here. I've not picked it yet. It's my fresh water leaf. I have my yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper, my crayfish, and I have my Eastern here, also known as periwinkle. You can use the one in shell, but I prefer using this one. So I'm going to be using this one. It's frozen, but by the time I'll be needing it, it will be frozen. I have my stockfish and my dried fish. I'll be washing them with hot water. I will just soak it inside hot water and then I'll wash it. And I have my afan here, also known as kukazi leaf. This is how it looks like the sliced one. I've sliced it. I'm going to pound it. You can use your food processor to do it, but I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to pound it. So guys, we start now by cooking our protein. And to that, I have my pot on fire already. I'm going to be adding in my meat now. I'll go in now with my stockfish. I'll be adding in my pepper. I'll be going in now with seasoning cube. And then I'm going to mix this properly to combine, okay? I'm going to cover the pot and I'll allow this to steam. So guys, I went through with my water. Sorry, I didn't know that it wasn't captured. So you don't need much water for your vegetable soup because already the water leaf contains lots of water. So you just need the amount of water that will cook your proteins, okay? So as you can see, our meat is well cooked now. I'll be adding in my crayfish. I'll go in with my dried fish. I'll add in my palm oil now. You need lots of palm oil, guys. Be generous in your palm oil. Afam requires lots of palm oil. That's the sweetness of afam soup, palm oil. So don't be stingy in your palm oil. You have to be generous about it. So I'm just going to mix everything together. I'll be adding in my water leaf. I'm going to cover this pot, allow this to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? You don't have to overcook it. It's a vegetable, if not, it's going to change color. It won't be looking fresh anymore. So guys, I'll be going in with my periwinkle now. I'm adding it now because this periwinkle is already pre-cooked. I'm going to stir everything together. I'll be testing for seasoning now. It's always okay that you start small so that if you need some adjustment, you can adjust, okay? So I needed some adjustment. I'll be adding in salt. So guys, I'm going to combine everything together. And now I'll be adding in my afang leaf. That's my okazu leaf. And I'm just going to mix it together like so. I'm going to cover this pot now and I'll allow this to cook for extra 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And then we'll come back. So guys, our soup is ready. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up, okay? And leave your comment for me in the comment section. I love to read your comment, guys. I love to read your comment. Let me know in the comment which swallow you be enjoying this week. I've been enjoying mine with my Eva. Okay, my Eva is ready. I'm just going to turn it now. And this is what we have, guys. Beautiful looking evacuate. And guys, look how yummy our soup is looking like. Look at it. It's very so irresistible. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please, if you enjoyed watching this video, leave a comment for me, like this video, and always watch my ads, guys. Always watch my ads. Until I come your way next time, guys. Please stay safe. Bye.